Let's crush an instant nerdle. We got a scrambled up math equation that needs to be unscrambled. Today we've only got division. So we're going to be dividing a triple digit number. Division sign is going to go here. I don't know where the equal sign is going to go. It's either going to go here or here. I guess I'll start with it here. 7's definitely going here because it's green. Everything else needs to be moved around. So if with division, I like to kind of work in reverse and think about it being multiplication in reverse, basically. So if I put a 2 here, 7 times 2 is 14. So this number would have to end in a 4. We don't have a 4, so 2 wouldn't work here. I can kind of work like that. So if I put a 9 here, 9 times 7 is 63, which ends in a 3. This would have to end in a 3. That doesn't work, so 9 doesn't work there. 5's not going to work. We don't have another 5. 6 doesn't work because it can't go there. 8 would work. So this would have to be a 6. But this is actually this is the last number that I can try here. So maybe this will work. If not, I have to move the equal sign. Okay, so we've used the 8, the 6, and the 7. If I put a 2 here, 28 times 7 would be in the 100s. We don't have a 1, so that doesn't work. 98 times 7 would be in the 600s. It might be 686, I think. I don't have a 6, and I don't have another 6. This almost works, though. 98 is 686. I need it to be 586. So that doesn't work. If I put a 5 here, I'm in the 300s. That doesn't work. If I put a 5 here, I'm in the 4. I think I'm in the 400s, but it doesn't really matter. It doesn't work. All right. So this just doesn't work. The equal sign doesn't work here because none of the numbers worked with that setup. So I have to put the equal sign here. And now I can kind of do the same thing where I'm changing this number and considering what's happening in the ones digit spot of this. So if I put a 2 here, this would be a 4. Doesn't work. If I put a 9 here, this would be a 3. Doesn't work. 5 doesn't work. 6 would end in 2. So 6 is possible. This could be a 2. If I put... So what, I could put a 9 here. 9 times 6 is in the 500s. I think that's right. Yeah, so this could be it. 582, is that right? 582. So 6 times 97 is 582, or 582 divided by 6 is 97. And that's an instant nerdle for you, dude. There it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.